Hello everybody, it's the 1st of June today, and I'm going to tackle my beech forest, which has been growing out quite strongly in all directions. The time I spent trying to lift the canopy on it has paid off a little bit, in that you can see right through and catch a glimpse of all the trunks if you get down low enough. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite shadowed under there. My little coop stand-in is relaxing in the shade, which is quite nice. So yeah, I'm just going to do some silhouette pruning and just get rid of these really long extension growths, because they're not really going to benefit the tree in the long run. And yeah, just a short cut back, basically a short back in sides. I can see I've got some whitefly or something such, mealybug maybe, sticky, whatever it is, in there, so at least pruning this off will get rid of some of that as well. So right, any further ado, let's crack on. This is just a, as I say, just a trim and a bit of pruning to shape, and each tree will get its own proper trim back and shape in the winter. But I just want to nip all this long stuff out. And increase any ramification that I'm going to get. So I shall shut up now and keep trimming. Okay, I think that looks better. It's kind of lightened it up a little bit. Sort of short back and sides, if you will. As I say, in the winter it'll need much more of a structural prune when I can strip all the leaves off, because of course beech don't lose their leaves, but I will give it a proper look once winter comes. I can strip off and I can cut out more of this stuff that's sort of growing through and around, and interfering with one with the other. But for now, that's probably about it. I might also try and raise the canopy a little more in future years, but no, I think that's probably it for now. I've not got it on a turntable, so I can't give you a 360, but I will move the camera around so you can see it, and hopefully not make you too sick and dizzy wobbly. So, as you can see, I've got a kind of a domed canopy front to back, and well, side to side as well, really. And I hope, in my brain anyway, it kind of looks like a small forest or a small woodland, copse of trees standing on a hill as you drive past. Yeah, it makes me smile. There's your pile of leaves. It always looks a lot when you see it in a heap on the floor, but the trees won't mind that. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.